Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to be looking at completing the square. So let's get started. The first thing I want you to think about is we complete the square with quadratics. So to get started, I'm going to take that off. So to get started, we are going to be thinking about the equation ax squared plus bx plus c. That is the quadratic equation. So before we get started, we need to be thinking about how do we factorize? Well, we need two numbers that times together to equal c and two numbers that add up to b. So here we've got no c, but we've got a b, which is 10. So what two numbers, because we're completing the square, must be the same number that adds up to 10. 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So that means for c, c must be 5 times 5 equals 25. Now we can't change it. If we add something, we've changed the equation. So we need to also take it away as well. So it becomes x squared plus 10x plus 25 minus 25. So now I can complete the square and factorize it. So that just means that here I've got x plus 5 squared, which is this part here. Because remember, because we got two 5s, it's like x plus 5, x plus 5, so that's x plus 5 squared, and I've got minus 25. Let's jump over to x squared plus 8x minus 3. Now, if we are thinking about completing the square, we need to look at b. B is the first thing we look at. Well, b is 8. So what is two numbers that add up to 8? 4. Remember, they must be identical. So what's 4 squared? 16. So to think about that, I'm going, okay, well, I know 4 squared is 16. So I am going to add 16. So x squared plus 8x plus 16 minus 16, take 3. So now that we've done that, we are just looking at this part here. If I complete the square, I know it's going to be x plus 4, because two 4s are my number, squared, minus 16 minus 3. If I've got, now we simplify. If I've got minus 16 and I'm taking another 3 away, it becomes minus 19. So our complete answer is x plus 4 squared minus 19. I really hope that helps you understand how to complete the square. If you need any extra help, feel free to message me and I'll get back to you.